First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will learn about using CSS together with JavaScript to show content. In body section, we will use the element open and close the element show content, and underneath the element open the element and close the element hide content. Underneath the element, we will use div element open and close div element. Now we will use JavaScript function script open tag and close script tag. In between script tags, we will use JavaScript function show parentheses open curly braces and close curly braces, and we will use document dot get element by id parentheses double quotes. In between double quotes, we will use terminal 1, and we will use style dot display equal double quotes. In between double quotes, we will use log semicolon use. When the user click on the p element, function show is executed. We will apply this function on this p element show content on click equal double quotes, and we will use this function in on click double quotes show parentheses only. When the user click on the pre-element function called show function is executed. We will use paragraph in div element open p element and close p element. In between p elements, we will use dummy text just for learning. Copy as it is and paste into paragraph. When user click on show content, this paragraph will be shown. Save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. When user click on this p element, and this show function will land on div element. So we will use terminal 1 id attribute use equal double quotes, and using terminal 1 save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. In head section, we will use internal CSS open style tag and close style tag. In between style tags, we will use period character use and show period character represent to class attribute open curly braces and close curly braces. Now we will use display column none semicolon use, and now we will apply CSS this on this div. Class attribute use equal double quotes. In double quotes, we will use show and save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. The user click on the p element function called show function is executed. So user click on this show content and something went wrong. This should be capital letter, not in small. It's not work. And get element is capital letter. After that, by capital letter and I capital letter, and they should be capital letter. By save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page again. click on when the user click on the element function called show is executed. We will create another function for hide function, and when user click on this hide content element, so paragraph has been hidden. Copy as it is underneath show function and change its name hide function, and when user click on this hide content, paragraph will be hidden. One click function equal double quotes hide function, use parentheses, and change display none. Save the file, go to the browser, and refresh the page. Show content, hide content. So we will apply style on this show content and hide content and paragraph. In head section, we will use internal CSS, and we will use CSS for it. Period character, use period character represent two class attribute, and we will use show content short form SC use, and open curly braces and close curly braces. Now we will use border colon 1px solid green semicolon, and save. Now we will this CSS apply on paragraph. Class attribute use equal double quotes. In double quotes we will use SC, and save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use text line center. Text line colon center semicolon. Save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use background color. Background color colon hashtag d semicolon. Save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will use padding for top, left, right, and bottom. Browser automatically calculate from top, left, right, and bottom. Padding 12px semicolon use. Save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Browser automatically calculate padding from top 12px, left and right, and from bottom 12px. Now we will use change its color in white color colon white semicolon use. Save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Show content and hide content as it is. We applied style on hide content, so we again use class as it is, this class, and copy in second p, paste. Save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. Show content, hide content. Now we will use CSS for this paragraph. Period character use represent to a class attribute, and we will use p1 open curly braces and close curly braces. In between curly braces we will use CSS property and property value order colon 1px solid gray and semicolon use. Save the file, and p1 this CSS apply on this paragraph on the class equal class attribute use double quotes. In between double quotes we will use p1. Save the file. Go to the browser and refresh the page. As you can see, we use border around paragraph. Now we will use background color green semicolon, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Now we will change its color colon white, semicolon, save the file, go to the browser and refresh the page. Show content and hide content.